go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's fucking go, baby.
Number 13 for the season. Bird number 13 of the season. May 28th, 2023. James got another one.
Let's go.
He got one during youth, and this is his second. So we had this bird. He was roosted right on this tree branch here. We walked up right underneath them when they were coming up. I didn't know where they were. I just know Clint, he told us, he said, yeah, there's like 2 or 3 birds up there. And we just walked up quietly. The ground is super, I mean, right here, there's not a lot of leaves, but the ground is super, super dry. And this was all us walking up. So it was really loud. I didn't like it, you know, it was very quiet, not a lot of wind. I was kind of spooky. I didn't have good, I wasn't too optimistic. So we came up, I said, let me just last time I set up a little lower and the birds were up the ridge from me. So I said, you know what, let's set up a little bit higher, and then we could just always go down to them. So we set up high, then we 450 start gobbling down there, and then I'm looking and I see one perched on that branch up there, and he wasn't gobbling. The other one was gobbling. That was a little lower. So he's turning, he's looking at the decoys on the ground, looking. I'm chirping a little bit with the mouth call, the diaphragm. And he's looking. So we set up, he was right up there about, I don't know, 50 yards away, 60 yards away. And then we put the decoys here, and me and JP sat right, zoom into that bush over there, where we were set up, right over there. The bird came from over this rock wall here, right there, under the barbed wire, and then he just came right up. I said, James, you see him? He's like, yeah. He's like, no, I don't see him. And I'm like, how don't you see him? So he just came up all puffed up, didn't say a word coming in. Went right to the Jake decoy, and James let him have it at what I'd say 20 yards. It's a great shot. Look at this bird. Look at this. Definitely 10-inch beard. And then the spurs are freaking nuts. Look at this. That was a giant. That's a good bird. Good bird for the end of the season.